Hey there YouTube, Three Bare Necessities here with another tool modification. What we have before us is the Leatherman Surge. Gonna have to forgive me for the shaky video. I don't have a tripod right now, so just bear with me. Alright, first of all, this appears to be the Leatherman Surge, as it says. Everything is normal on the outside. Blades, scissors. No modifications there yet. We're going to highlight one specific modification. Go ahead and open the tool, and there it is. Our modification to be highlighted is the switch from the standard pliers that come with it. Okay, these have the standard wire cutters, rounded surface. We went ahead and switched that to the plier head that comes on the Leatherman Supertool 300. You get with that a stronger pair of plier jaws. You get the wire crimper, and of course the most important is the replaceable hardwire cutters made from 154 cm tool steel. So that is a considerably better upgrade than what these offer. So we have that now on here. This now I will call the Leatherman Surge 300. Okay? In order to make this modification happen, we had to remove the small spring locks that are on the inside of the Leatherman itself, inside of the Surge. Okay, those little spring locks, when the tool is open, send out small pins to engage the blades so that you don't accidentally open the blade. Okay, I've never had an issue with that happening or being close to happen, so not a big deal getting rid of that. It is a nice safety feature, however, it wasn't needed. And in order to make room for the larger plier head, see how this is reinforced up here? Those had to go away. So once I removed the old pliers, went ahead and broke those off. You can see down in there, let me focus real fast for you. You can see down in there the busted off ends on either side. Now, let me close this up. That allows the tool to sit nice and flush together, except for a very small gap. Okay, now if you're thinking about doing this modification, you will in fact run into the same thing. And let me show you what is happening in here. If you come over to the side with the screwdrivers, the flat plier head, okay, is resting against the large flathead screwdriver. And you can see that in the sunlight right here, where it's wearing against that edge right there. Okay, that's where we have that little bit of gap. It doesn't change the functionality, it still performs the same. However, there's just a small gap where it doesn't close all the way. Okay, now if you do this modification and you don't like that, just go ahead and grind off a little bit on that edge and get it to sit smooth. So for me, it's not a big deal. It doesn't change the functionality or the purpose that I have in this tool. That is the Leatherman Surge 300. It is the big brother to the Charge and the Wave series of easy access multi-tools. Okay, what I'm talking about there is the tools being accessible from the outside. The Charge and the Wave are both built from that frame. This is a considerably larger tool, and this is the, in my opinion, and the opinion of others I know, this is the most heavy-duty multi-tool on the market, even more so than the Victorinox Swiss tool. This is a heavy multi-tool. It is built with much thicker stainless steel sheet, which gives a lot of rigidity to the frame, and it allows for a lot more heavy-duty use. With the addition of these pliers, it is my opinion again that this is now the most heavy-duty multi-tool in the world. Yeah, I said it, in the world. This is a beast. So we have a super heavy-duty frame complemented with a super heavy-duty set of pliers that will allow a no limits ability to work on just about anything. In fact, the only limitations will be to the owner based on whether you want to carry that weight and that bulk. However, if you need something super heavy duty, this is going to be it. It's a very simple modification. No real special tools are needed. In fact, let me pull this out here. The only specialty tool needed for this is the Torx security bit. It has the hole in the center, and that lines up with that little pin inside of those fasteners. Okay, that's the only specialized tool you need to make this modification happen. That way you can remove it and reassemble it. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a very simple modification, and it provides a limitless amount of possibilities for repair, for everyday use, everyday carry. Alright, this is 3 Bare Necessities with the Leatherman Surge 300 signing out.